dude, I'm gonna break it. Like I'm walking around like this in my pants, like like.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Hi, Danny. I'm going on TRT soon because of low levels, both total and free, with all the symptoms. I'm planning on going on 20% transscrotal cream. Do I need to take high or low dose since SHBG is low? Okay. Low SHBG doesn't really impact dose. Okay. Low SHBG doesn't really impact dose. I see low SHBG guys getting by with 60 milligrams a week, and I see low SHBG guys like me sometimes needing upwards of 300 milligrams a week. Okay. You can't say my SHBG is here, therefore my dose is probably going to need to be this. Or I've done my pre-TRT labs show that my levels are here, 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 here. Therefore, my dose should be that. Bullshit. It's your pre-TRT, whatever, is not going to impact your dose. Low SHBG will often impact how often you need to take it. So if you are taking injections, the lower the SHBG, the more often you need to inject. Okay, it is what it is. I have not seen a guy with single-digit low SHBG who says, I inject once a week and feel fine. I'm sorry, I haven't seen it. Now, because you're going to be on the cream, you're going to be applying the cream every day. If you want the cream to work really good, you're going to apply it twice a day because the half-life of the cream is actually pretty short. It's only like 12, 14 hours. So you're going to say, oh, 12, 14 hours is long. Yeah, but if you take it in the morning, I mean, by the evening, like your levels are going to be, halved compared to where it was in the morning. So you start off at a dose. I mean, you got to start somewhere. You can do, if you're going to get the toppy click, usually it's supposed to output, is it 20%? Yeah, you're at 20%. Every click is 50 milligrams. So a lot of doctors will start guys off on 2 clicks twice daily. So 100 milligrams morning, 100 milligrams evening. And I have to say something about the cream, guys. Ever since I started TRT, well, real TRT, because when I started, I was on the androgel garbage, which was a complete waste of time. And then I was on a weak compounded cream that I was applying to my chest and arms. And that didn't do anything. And then I got on injections and that helped. I never had a chance to try the cream. And I finally got a chance to try the cream because there were some guys that were on the injections and said, I always want to try the cream. And they tried the cream and like, oh my God, this is the most amazing thing ever. And they freaked out. And I have seen other guys that went from the injections to the cream, and they're like, I just much prefer the injections. I was just giving myself, 2 shots a week and it was fine. And this stuff I could apply twice a day. It's a pain in the ass and whatever else. So I've been doing these live streams and getting questions from guys. I'm like, you know what? I need to try the cream, see how it works on me, at least have an idea of, applicating and whatever else. So I figured I'd start with the standard, 2 clicks twice a day. So 100 milligrams morning, 100 milligrams at night. So I took 100 milligrams morning, 100 milligrams at night, took 100 milligrams the next morning. And all that day I was just tight in the chest and I was like wound up. I was like stressed, like just like on edge. Like if somebody got in front of me, like, dude, I'm gonna break it. like I was ready to like kill somebody the whole day, but I had no reason to be feeling that way. Like nothing really was going on in my day that was making me feel that way. I was like, could it be the cream? So I didn't take any for a couple of days. I waited for the feeling to pass. And I tried just 50 milligrams in the morning, 50 milligrams at night, 50 milligrams, okay, 50 milligrams at night. And then I tried 100 milligrams in the morning again. And Jesus Christ, again, I was like just ready to kill somebody. Meanwhile, libido through the roof. I'm walking around like this in my pants, like, like I used to have a good libido on the injections, but with the cream, I was like, my wife's like, Danny, what's wrong with you? Like, I don't know. Like it's any of you guys who are saying, this is my point. I'm sorry, I took a long to make a big point, but any of you guys who are saying, injections are the gold standard and cream is for pussies and cream doesn't do shit and everyone knows injections and bodybuilders take injections. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. That cream, when you apply it to the scrotum, is fucking potent stuff. Like it is really potent. really potent. I haven't gotten that feeling on 500-600 milligrams a week of test. Okay, I've tried at 1.5 or 600. I think I went to like 600 milligrams of test, not for a long time. I just wanted to see what it was looked like. It was really impacting my sleep. But the libido, the erections, that feeling of like you're like an animal type thing on a little. I mean, it's a little dab on the tip of your finger. You just rub it on. This stuff is for real, guys. Okay, so don't underestimate this cream, because I'm telling you, it's let's go on my camera here. Hello. Oh, guys. Oh, there we go. Ugly mug is back. It's really potent. Like, it's really potent. So if some of you guys have been annoyed with injections and you're like, I hate injecting, try the cream. You'll be really surprised. You'll be really surprised how strong this shit is. So hope that answers your question.